Hey there. So many of our digital resources include adding text boxes over a worksheet so students can type in them, right? Well, I don't know about you, but I have so many times that students can't find the text boxes and use that as an excuse for why they weren't able to complete something. So I found a neat little hack that allows the text box to be visual and also say type text here without having students have to then backspace to delete that to add their text. When they click on it, that text disappears. Cool, right? So it's actually super simple. If you have your slides over on the side in the slide column here, you just go over to adding a new slide. Any of them that have that type text here one, so let's look at this one right here. So you see how it has click to add text? We're just going to resize this text box around that to make it nice and small. Okay. And then simple enough, we click and then we copy and paste. So copy that and bring it over here. I'm going to get rid of this text box because it's basically invisible to my students. And then all I'm going to do is paste and place it right there. I'm going to just then make it the size that I would want. Now, students see click to add text, and look what happens when they click on it. The text goes away. So all that it is a great visual indicator of where students need to click, and they don't have to then delete or backspace rather to get rid of it and type. And they also don't have to go on this hunt of a visible text box when we can then just copy and paste simply these and just make them the size that we want. Invisible text boxes be gone, and then have these awesome ones that show students where they need to type, but students then don't have to backspace, backspace, backspace when it comes time to type in that text box. I hope that this makes your life a little bit easier when you are adding text boxes onto Google Slides.